Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at inequalities with fractions, decimals, and with the distributive property. Let's just review simply solving two-step inequalities. Let's take a look at number 1. We have 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 13. So to start, we have 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 13. We need to add 4 to both sides, over here and on the other side, which leaves us with 3x greater than or equal to 17. And then we still need our variable by itself, so we need to divide by 3 on both sides. That leaves us with x is greater than or equal to 17 over 3, which is equivalent to x is greater than or equal to 5 2/3. So now we go up to our graph, and our circle is going to be filled in because we know greater than or equal to, it's a closed circle. We're going to find 5 2/3. Be as accurate as you can. It's okay. I know the numbers are small. And then x is greater than or equal to, so we're going to the right. Okay, for number 2, we have negative 9c plus 7 is less than negative 11. So we need to start by subtracting 7 from both sides. And it leaves us negative 9c on the left is less than negative 18, which is on our right. Our variable is still not isolated, so we need to divide by negative 9 on both sides. And we're left with c on the left and positive 2 on the right. Now remember, when you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative, you need to flip your inequality sign. So this needs to be c is greater than 2. So now up to our graph. We need an open circle at our 2, and then it is c is greater than 2, so we're going to the right. Go ahead and try numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6 independently, and then check back with the video to check your answers. Now let's use the distributive property when we're solving inequalities. So we have 4/5 times 10c minus 5 is greater than or equal to 48. So we need to start by distributing 4/5 to both the 10c and our negative 5. So we have 4/5 times 10 over 1 gets us 40 over 5, which is 8. So up here we're left with 8c, and then we have 4/5 times 5 over 1, which is 20 over 5, which we're left with 4. And then bring down our greater than equal to 48 sign. Now from here, we need to add 4 to both sides. And we're left with 8c is greater than or equal to 52. We need to isolate our variable, so we need to divide by 8 on both sides, and we're left with c is greater than or equal to 6.5. So now let's go up to our graph. We know it's a greater than or equal to sign, so our circle needs to be filled in. And it says c is greater than or equal to 6.5, so we need to take it to the right. Go ahead and try numbers 8 through 12 on your own, and then check back with the video to check your answers.